What up guys, this is Jarrell. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to set any song or any music as a ringtone on your Android phone. Now first off, the first requirement for this is of course you'll have to download the song first. Now after downloading the song you should go to music. Now for instance this two music that I just downloaded just now, and then you see the three dots right there on your right corner. To click on it and you'll see there you could set that as your ringtone. All you have to do is to click on that. Now same thing here, if let's say for this song you would like to set this as your ringtone, then just click on set as your ringtone there. Now guys, that is how easy it is to set any song as a ringtone on your Android phone. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.